Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. There is a very interesting part in this gospel which we have just heard. When Peter said to Jesus, when he saw the Lord walking on the water, "Lord, if it is you, command me to come to you on the water." What is the significance of that request? Well, first of all, what is the meaning of Jesus walking on the water? Jesus walking on the water signifies a kind of power over the water. Hindi ba kapag yung mga wrestling yung sports, no? Sino ang talo? Yung nasa ilalim, yung natapakan. That is why the image of Saint Michael, no? You have seen image of Saint Michael, no? Standing on the devil, on the demon. Because Saint Michael is triumphing over the evil one. So when Jesus walked on the water, it is as if the gospel writer, Matthew in this case, is telling the reader, here is someone who is more powerful than the waters. But what is the symbolism of water? Waters. In those days, during the time of Jesus and even before, they thought the waters, the ocean, the sea, no, is the dwelling place of the evil one. Kaya takot sila sa tubig, sapagkat naniniwala sila ang demonyo, ang tahanan ay ang tubig. Now, kung makita mo si Jesus na nakatayo sa ibabaw ng tubig, iisipin mo, wala silang laban kay Jesus. Talo sila ni Jesus. And that is a very significant symbol. Jesus overpowering the evil one. And here is the request of Peter, "Lord, let me also walk on the water." It is as if Peter is saying, "Lord, let me also conquer the evil one." And then Jesus said, "Come on. I'm sharing with you the power over the evil one. I am sharing with you this power." Alam niyo, mga minamahal kong kapatid, napakamahalagan po niyan. Una, kasi hindi natin maililigtas ang ating sarili. Hindi natin kayang iahon ang ating sarili sa anumang bisyo, sa anumang kasalanan. Kailangan natin si Jesus. At si Jesus, ibinabahagi yung kanyang kapangyarihan na magtagumpay laban sa kasalanan. Parang sinasabi ni Jesus, alam ko hindi mo kaya yan, pero halika, tutulungan kita. Tutulungan tayo ni Jesus. On one condition, we will conquer evil only if we always look at Jesus. Kasi sabi dito sa Ebanghelyo, when Peter saw how strong the wind was, he became frightened. So, nawala yung focus niya kay Jesus. Tumingin siya sa paligid. No. At doon siya nagsimulang lumubog. My dear sisters and brothers, by ourselves, we cannot conquer evil. But the Lord is giving us the power to conquer evil. She's sharing with us His power. And we can conquer evil through the help of the Lord only if we always look at Him. Ipagdasal natin ang bawat isa. May kanya-kanya tayong mga demonyo na dapat natapakan. May kanya-kanya tayong mga kahinaan na dapat na mapagtagumpayan. Kaya natin ito sa tulong ni Jesus. Ngunit huwag nating aalisin ang ating paningin sa Kanya. Amen.